Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. And in today's episode, we're going to be making Domino's Fiery Hawaiian Pizza, the Anabolic version. This one tastes just exactly like the one from Domino's. In this channel, we'll be making low-calorie, high-protein anabolic recipes. And this channel, we will also be making other people's anabolic recipes and also be doing anything in the fitness industry. These recipes will help you lose fat and gain muscle. These recipes will also help you stop the craving of high fat and tasty foods. When I barely started dieting, I started with chicken, rice, and broccoli and tilapia. That thing works really good, the diet works great, but it just gets old very fast. After a while, you start craving the foods that you gave up to stay lean and gain muscle. If you eat that kind of food again, you will gain some weight back and it's hard to lose that weight. So in today's episode, we're gonna stop one of your pizza cravings and make Anabolic Fiery Domino's Hawaiian Pizza. I have been eating this pizza 2 weeks in a row and I'm still not tired of it. It tastes really close to the real Domino's Fiery Hawaiian Pizza with less than half the calories. Okay guys, let's get started with the Anabolic Fiery Hawaiian Domino's Pizza. Alright. Okay guys, with your food scale, weigh out 120 grams of all-purpose flour. Then we need a whole packet of instant yeast rapid rice. Put it in there. We're also going to need about 1 gram of baking powder. Next, we will need about 1/2 gram of salt. Sprinkle it in there. Next, mix it all well. So you can mix it very well, guys. When it's done mixing well, we're gonna need some warm water, okay? Pour little by little so it could be manageable. If not, it's gonna be too sticky and it's not gonna work very well. Okay, put some in there. And we're gonna start mixing. It's gonna look like that, but you're gonna need more water, okay guys? Pour little by little. Should be enough until the next time. Keep mixing. When you're done mixing, it should look like that. And we're gonna have to set this for 30 to 40 minutes in a warm place so it can expand. And we did not use all the water. Just add little by little, because if you add a lot, it's gonna be too sticky and it's not gonna be manageable. Okay guys? Alright. Okay guys, it's been 40 minutes and it already expanded. See how big difference it is? It's almost like double the size. Okay, now we're gonna put it in our pizza pan. Okay guys, don't forget to preheat the oven at 350 degrees and put some of this vegetable oil on the pizza pan. Next, we're gonna get our dough and we're gonna put it in the middle of our pizza pan. There. And from the middle, we're gonna spread it out, okay guys? Push it down in the middle and it's gonna start spreading out. This pizza will come out about 13 inches to 14, depends how far you stretch it. And it's gonna go in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay guys, the 10 minutes are up and it should look like this, okay? We're gonna start assembling our pizza. First step, we're gonna need 300 grams of pizza sauce. Okay, 300 grams. I already have it weighed out, so we just start from the middle and leave the crust. Leave some crust for the end. Alright, just pour it down the middle and spread it all the way down. Alright, and just spread it out. And leave some room for crust, okay guys? Unless you don't like crust, but. Next, we're gonna need some sriracha sauce. Alright, just sprinkle it in there. It can't be any fiery Hawaiian pizza without the fire, guys, so. Next, we're gonna need 56 grams of provolone and mozzarella blend and 56 grams of fat-free mozzarella cheese blend. When you weigh both of them out, make sure you put them in a bowl and mix them well so it could be evenly mixed, okay? These are 56 grams of the provolone and mozzarella and the fat-free mozzarella already mixed in. Next, we're gonna evenly spread it out all through the pizza, okay guys? Evenly spread it out. Okay guys, it should look something like that. And then let's get to the next step. Next, we're gonna need the whole package of the Canadian bacon and cut it into 4 pieces, each little round thing. So it's gonna be 10 of these little round Canadian bacon pieces. Spread out the Canadian bacon evenly on the pizza. Should look something like that when you finish with all 10 pieces. All right, let's get to next. We're gonna need 6 pieces of this turkey bacon, Oscar Mayer. There's other ones, but this one tastes a lot better for the lowest calories, guys. There's lower calorie ones, but this one tastes a lot better. Don't forget to cook the turkey bacon and cut it into little pieces. I already cooked it and cut it, and spread it evenly to the pizza. Spread it evenly. Should look similar to this. All right, let's get to the next step. Okay, next step, cut 90 grams of red bell peppers and spread it evenly throughout the pizza. Okay guys, it should look similar to that. Let's check it out. All right. Okay guys, next get 50 grams of jalapenos and spread it evenly to the pizza. You can put more if you like it spicy, but I think 58 grams is perfect. Okay guys, so it's gonna look similar to that. Man, this thing is already smelling good. All right, let's get to the next step. Next, cut up 210 grams of pineapple and spread it evenly throughout the pizza. Okay guys, it should look like that. All right, okay, let's go to the next step. Okay. Next step, we're gonna drizzle some more sriracha on top to make it fiery Hawaiian. You can add more, but I think this is perfect. Just drizzle as much as you want, okay guys? Yeah, that's what makes it fiery Hawaiian. You can use different sauces as well, but I think this one tastes really good with it, guys. Okay guys, lastly, this is gonna go in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Depends how crispy you like the crust. I like it pretty crispy, but I think 22 minutes is perfect for me. But I've done it for 25 minutes. It's extra crispy. It depends how you're feeling for the pizza, okay guys? Let's put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, it's been exactly 22 minutes and I put it out the oven at 350 degrees. And this is what we're looking for. Let it sit for at least 3 minutes, guys, before you cut it and enjoy it. Look at all the steam. This thing is so good. I've been having it the last 2 weeks straight and I'm still not tired of it, guys. And pizza is so good, guys. Let it sit for 3 minutes and we're about to cut it right now. Okay guys, get your cutting blade and cut it into 8 even pieces. And let's go ahead and cut it. Okay guys, let's serve up a piece and I'm gonna try it out in front of you guys. This thing is so good. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, this thing is real pizza, guys, and it's gonna make you lose fat and gain muscle, guys. This thing is low in calories and it's very, very tasty. All right. Okay guys, it's taste test time and we already cut it into even pieces, so let's try it out. But first, a word from our sponsors. Okay guys, look at that peach right there. Let's try it out. And it's a little bit colder right now because I had to take a thumbnail. So, man, I can't wait for you guys to try this out. Okay guys? Look at that right there. Man. Guys, man, if somebody gave this to me and they would have told me it was a low calorie pizza, I would not even know. I would not even know, I swear. I've been having this for 2 weeks straight and I'm still not tired of it. I am not tired of this pizza. I know if you guys can make it, you guys are gonna love it. And make this pizza, please. I'm gonna take another bite. This thing is so delicious. Everything tastes good in this channel, guys. Believe me, if you guys eat this way, you guys are gonna lose weight, gain muscle, and you guys are never gonna look back to eating the normal pizza again, because this thing is gonna make you lose weight, I swear. All right, let's try another bite. I swear, make this, please. Make this, guys. Make this pizza. You guys will not regret it. Let's go to the macros. Okay guys, if you make the pizza the same way I did it, the same ingredients and everything, the whole pizza is only 1,398 calories. Compare that to the Domino's pizza, it is probably like way over 3,000 calories. So you're saving more than half the calories, guys. Okay, the macros are 1,398 calories, 92 grams of protein, 36 grams of fat, 12 grams of fiber, and 157 grams of carbs. And that's the whole, if you eat the whole pizza, guys. If you eat the whole pizza. And I'm pretty sure you're still gonna have macros left. Okay guys, if you only wanna eat one slice of pizza, it's 174 calories, 11 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, 1 gram of fiber, and 19 grams of carbs. And that's for one slice of pizza. Those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. Okay guys, if you guys make this pizza, please comment below on how much you enjoyed it, and I will comment on everyone back, okay? If you guys want to support me, I do have this recipe on my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. And the cookbook has a lot of other great recipes that will help you lose fat and gain muscle. If you want me to work on any specific recipe, let me know, comment below, and I'll work really hard, just like I work hard on this recipe. Once you make this recipe, you'll know how hard I really work. I work hard on every single recipe that I have on my cookbook. They're all really good, guys, and I wish you guys could try them all out. And stay lean and gain muscle, guys. Let's do it together. If you want to get more anabolic recipes, check out more of my recipe videos. Okay guys, till next time. All the strong subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, Manny out. Peace.